Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum audience. In this video, we are going to discuss a roadmap for Python beginners. In this video, we will discuss a roadmap for Python newbies. Students are people who want to learn Python from very scratch. So in this video, we will discuss the complete roadmap for Python beginners. Actually, recently, as we know that Python is the most popular programming language in the world. We can see that Python is in the top of the list. In 2023, Python is most widely used in the world. 25.95% of developers are using Python for their development. So Python is the most demanded and popular language in the world. So here now we are going to start a roadmap for Python beginners. It is a four-step process. A person who want to learn Python, so the very first step, he should know the very basic concepts of Python. So very first, he should know about the basic concepts of Python, and after that, he should know about the OOP of Python. He should know about the object-oriented concepts in Python. Step number two, after learning the basic concepts, he should know about the development areas in Python, the type of application that can be developed using Python, and what are the frameworks and libraries used in these applications. So step number two, the person should know about the development areas, the type of application developed in Python programming language. When he know about the type of applications using Python, then he should choose one of the development area, and he should know the concerned libraries used in that application. So in step number three, he should choose one of the development area, and he should learn only the libraries related to that area only. And after that, after the learning that development area and libraries, then he just move towards building projects. He should start with mini projects, small projects, and then he should move towards big projects. Let me explain in detail. In step number one, he should start with Python basic concepts. Like every language has basic concepts like syntax, variables, operators, conditions, loops, and function, and things like that. So at the very first step, he should know about the basic concepts of Python, how to write Python code, variables in Python, operators in Python, conditions if else, how to write if else condition in Python, and after that he should know about the type of loops in Python. Like we have know about the loops, for loops, while loops, so he should know about the type of loops in Python, and then he should know how to write functions, a very fundamental concept in programming language. So he should know about how to write functions in Python. After learning basic concepts, he should move towards OOP concepts. Actually, Python is a object-oriented language. So after learning basic concept, he should know about the OOP concepts like object, classes, inheritance, and polymorphism. These are the object-oriented concepts. So in step number one, he should know about the basic concepts, and after learning basic concept, he should know about the some of the basic concepts of OOP. After learning the basic concepts and OOP, he should move towards learning development areas in Python. Like in Python, we can build desktop applications. We can also build web application. We can also build mobile application. We can also develop game application, and we can also work with data science, and we can also work with machine learning. As you know that machine learning, data science, and web application are most popular in Python. So he should know about the a type of application that can be developed using Python. Now, if he want to work in desktop application, so he should know about these libraries. These libraries are for only development of desktop applications. These libraries like tkinter, pyqt, kiwi, wexpython, and pygel. So if a person want to learn desktop application, so he should only learn these application, these libraries. These libraries are only for desktop application. Similarly, if he want to learn web application using Python, so he should know the very popular uh, frameworks for web development. As you people know, Django and Flask are both very popular frameworks for web development. So if he want to work on a web application, so he should learn Django and Flask. Now, if he want to learn mobile application using Python, so he should learn Kiwi and be aware. These are Python libraries for mobile application development. Similarly, if he want to learn game application, he want to develop games using Python, so he should know these libraries. These libraries are specifically developed for game application. Similarly, if he want to learn data science or data analytics, he want to work on data science or data analytics using Python. So he should know the very popular libraries, pandas, numpy, matplotlib, seaborn. If he want to use Python for data science or data analytics projects, so he should only learn these libraries, pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and seaborn. Now, if he want to work on machine learning, so he should know the only these libraries, TensorFlow, scikit-learn, and PyTorch. So in step number 2, every Python learner should know about these areas and these libraries related to each of these application area. Now, after knowing about these areas and these libraries, one should choose his own interest area, his own area of interest. Like, like a person want to choose only data analysis or data science field. He want to use Python for data science or data analysis. So he should only learn these libraries, pandas, numpy, and matplotlib, seaborn. He should not learn these all libraries for desktop application, web application, mobile application, and other areas. He should only learn these libraries, which are built for data science projects. So after learning the areas and libraries, one should choose only one area of his interest and he should start learning these libraries. Once he has a hand-on practice on these libraries for data science and data analysis, then he just jumped towards building projects, starting with small and mini projects. Like here he want to work on data analytics or a data analysis project, so he should build very small and mini projects like COVID-19 data analysis, like COVID-19 vaccine analysis, and things like PSL or IPL data analysis. Now he have chosen data analysis field, so he should start building mini projects like data analysis for COVID-19, IPL, PSL. When he has a very matured and developing small projects and has a hand-on practice on these libraries, then he should move towards a big and complex projects like NLP projects, sentiment analysis projects, ChatGPT, sentiment analysis, Titan sentiment analysis, and COVID-19 vaccine sentiment analysis. These are actually complex and big projects based on these libraries. These all projects comes under the umbrella of data science and data analytics projects. Let me summarize the whole roadmap. A person who wants to learn Python as a beginner, he should start learning basic Python concepts, syntax, variable, operator, condition, and these basic concepts, how to code in these basic concepts. And after that, he should know the object-oriented concept like object and classes. After that, he should know about the application areas using Python. Python is actually a general purpose language. So you can use it for the development of desktop application, web application, mobile application, game application, and Python is very popular for data science and machine learning and web application. For web application, it has a very popular frameworks, Django and Flask. For data analysis, it has a very popular libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and a very interesting and popular machine learning field area of AI, artificial intelligence. For a machine learning, Python has a very popular scikit-learn and TensorFlow libraries. So he should know about these libraries, but he should choose one of his interest area. Like he want to work on data analysis or data science, so he has chosen this field, and then he should learn only these libraries and skipping all the remaining libraries. And after learning and working on these library, after practicing these libraries, you should move towards building small projects like data analysis projects, and after that he should work on big projects, very big complex projects of NLP like sentiment analysis. So for all those students who want to learn Python, so he should follow these four-step, a very simple roadmap. Thank you. Stay tuned for the rest of roadmaps for programming languages. Thank you.